I guess we'll remember.
Hey guys, we made it to the Korat Relic Temple. So the place is actually already really interesting. Just take a look at from the air, just how interesting this place is.
I always wanna feel like this. There's another level read. I don't wanna walk it, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna walk it, and be reversed the fall. There's another level read. I don't wanna walk it, and I don't wanna do what's wrong.
Oh, hey, sweetheart. How are you? Oh, baby. You see the vents? This is pretty cool.
Wow. They make money like a rope.
That's neat.
This is a Buddha, you know, right?
Uh-huh. Oh, these are Buddhas?
You have to make, yeah, all of them. See, on top of your head too.
Wow.
Now you know.
No, I did not see that.
That it's rock over here.
Each one is a Buddha.
Yes.
Wow.
This one by, they curl up too, see? Buddha, this is a rock. This is a white rock.
Wow. Very interesting.
How he design, not easy.
Not easy.
Come see me, come out. Let them know, let them be the Buddha, you know what I mean? Come out, marry, something like that. Easy to explain, right? And when you come out, no good, sad, have to work, have to this, have to do.
Yeah. Women are fun at first, but then then they make you work.
Oh, big boss too.
Yeah. My boss very big. I don't know where she is though. Maybe she.
What's her name? What's her name? ไปหนูเอ้ยอยู่ไหนขึ้นมาตรงนี้ลูกเนี่ยบันไดตรงนี้ใกล้ๆหนูนั่งเนี่ย You see Cleopatra? You have to walk that way. She gotta come there.
Okay. Hey guys, this has been a really fortunate trip. Got to actually come in and meet the monk, and we have our wonderful tour guide. I just want to introduce you.
My name is Janya.
Janya?
Yes.
Okay.
I come from Utah.
Yeah. So this is Janya. She went to Utah before, and she's been so awesome showing us everything. And she gave us the special privilege of meeting the head monk. I honestly didn't even know the guy was still alive. I didn't know there really was. I didn't know there was really a big monk here, but she brought us in to meet him.
ก็มีน้ำนั่นแหละก็มีน้ำให้น้ำให้เขา
ได้แล้วค่ะได้แล้วค่ะ
ก็จะเป็นจักรวาลก็จะเป็นจักรวาล
Like a galaxy.
The galaxy? Oh. Amazing. I've been to many temple here, never one like this.
ไปหลายที่แต่ว่าไม่มีที่ไหน
Meet him, so thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so we've had a really lucky time, and this has to be one of the most beautiful temples in Thailand, period, hands down. There's more than you can see in this place, and probably 50 trips, so definitely recommend it. This is not a popular tourist place. Couldn't even find a translation for English for the name or anything like that, so I'll post the information and the link so you guys can check it out yourself. But as you can see, the views here are just incredible. I mean, not just inside the temple, but just the area. And they have, oh, hi, buddy. Hey, hold on. And they have the peacocks.
ไม่กลัวคนเลยเนาะเดี๋ยวด้วยกันให้ข้าวก็ก่อน
He wants to be on here. Let's
กิน
see.
อะไร
เดี๋ยวเขาก็ลงไป
กินแต่ข้าวกับอะไร
No ข้าวเม็ดเราไปซื้อ
เหมือนอาหารนกอะไร
ค่ะ
เงี้ย
ค่ะเราไปซื้อข้าวเม็ดให้เขา
ถ้าเป็นขนแบบนี้เป็นตัวเมียใช่ไหมตัวผู้
ถ้ายาวกลางยังไม่ลำแพง
เขา
So the peacock wanted to say thanks for watching. Oh, and the peacock wanted to tell you also, don't forget to subscribe. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button for the peacock and hit a like and a comment. And don't forget to click the bell notification for updates. A lot of the things that we were told about this temple turned out are not true. One of the TripAdvisor reviews said that it was a place where people bring artifacts that they think are haunted or something, but I think what it really is they have a really eclectic design style that mixes tons of different designs with all over the place, and I think that's where maybe that led to the confusion about that. So anyway, but the truth turned out to be better, and so we're excited to go to the next place. Oh wow, look at that dragon.
It's not easy to do it.
No, not easy. Hey, sarika. Hey, sarika. Wow, D-Mark. Yeah, amazing. Throughout this temple, there's craftsmen. You know, this is very much a work in progress. I feel like a good American comparison would be almost like the Winchester House in California. You know, it was a place that was just really never finished. And this dragon, this craftsman, he's actually the only Thai person there making that dragon, and it's very high level. And these workers, they're really friendly. They're not smiling here, but they were laughing later. They were just camera shy. But all the other workers are from Cambodia. A lot of people don't know that Thai people have a real name and a nickname. So their real name is kind of special to them. And their nickname is something they usually choose when they're a teenager. So that girl you met may not really be named Beer. You know, she'll have a real Thai name also. And so Angun noticed that her Janya's real name, which I didn't catch, is the same as her sister's name, but it's an old Thai traditional Chinese name. So now they're best friends. They found now they're having too much fun. Now they're friends. This is a really good example of you never know what you're going to run into here. So these workers are actually from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. And see, they're very cool. And look how skilled they are. Yeah, they're very fun. That's okay. If you don't work hard for a minute, I won't tell. Yeah. Yeah. So these guys are working really hard to make this place pretty. So in Cambodia, they speak Khmer, which is similar to Thai. But it's more similar to the North Thai language, the Asan, so they can kind of understand each other a little bit.
I think your blood, what did she say? Your blood not run well.
Okay, I take her to the car. I better take her to air conditioner, yeah? Okay. But thank you so much.
She said you want to be air conditioner too, not only her.
Oh, right, yeah. Mostly me. Yeah.
You saw me in
Oh. I don't know if the video shows how steep this is.
แล้วทำไมต้องมีรูปปั้นอยู่ข้างบนด้วยล่ะคะไหน
Oh,
ที่
yeah.
เก่าๆเคยมีเป็นประวัติของคนทุกคนไม่เคยเลยเนี่ยแล้วทำไมถึงเป็นแบบนี้ดูมันเป็นแบบ before the light here right
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So that was just such an epic tour of that temple. I never would imagine that when we went, we were going to get like a personalized tour and we were going to get to meet the head monk that actually is building that temple. It's kind of a work in progress. Never imagined any of that. So really special trip. And one of the things in the distance, as you look kind of way out in the distance, is you'll see a huge golden statue of a monk who lived about 400 years ago, named Liang Po Tuat. And as you can see, he's behind me. And this is actually, there's a lot of statues of him, and this is the tallest one in Thailand. So it's 69 meters tall.